Hi, this is Andrew with Avitech. I'm here at ISE 2020 to show the Administrator Workstation for over IP ecosystem. So here we have just the graphical user interface that's embedded in this receiver. And so here I have the list of all our sources, and I have a list of all our receivers. And so I can just change the source by clicking and dragging. So clicking and dragging to this source, for example. And then I can also change this source by double-clicking any of the sources in the list. Since these are computer sources, I can double-click to go in, and now I'm controlling this. And since this is a workstation, I can actually go in between the two monitors to control these two computer sources. The graphical user interface also allows me to control the video wall, these three screens up here, and the entire system through setup and operation. For more information, please go to our website at avitechvideo.com, and thank you for watching.